When you're choosing your course topic, when you're creating your course, is not to impress your peers. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Hello. What is going on, awesome party peeps? It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And today we're talking about choosing topics for your online courses. We've been talking about that all week, even though today is just Tuesday. Okay, but we've been talking about it all week. We'll continue to talk about course topics this week. By the way, if you are new here to the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification. We talk all things premium courses, how to start packaging your expertise so that you can get it out to the world, whether that's through premium courses, luxury coaching and mentorship brands, however it is that you want to package it. But we talk high end, high level on this channel. So again, if that's your vibe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop. I titled this one, What's Going On, Tasha? A Taste of Tea Salon. I love my mentees in the building, sending you so much love, and I hope you had a happy birthday. Shout out to you. All right, so I talk a lot about today's topic is who's it for anyway, right? And so we want to talk about this in regards to your topic, okay? Your course topic. Who's it for? Who are you creating it for? So sometimes we have to take a step back. Number one, especially transitioning out of corporate. And sometimes even if you have owned a business for a while, I know that it can happen to me too. I need some fresh eyes on something. So I'll have to take a step away for a second or get someone else to look at what it is that I'm working on just to give me a fresh new perspective, right? And so here's the deal about who you're creating your courses for, the topic that you should teach or choose first. I want you to remember that the people that you want to serve are not necessarily the expert in your lane. Okay, so that's the reason that you're teaching in the first place. It's not to say that they don't have an area of expertise or that they are not knowledgeable. Their area of expertise, their knowledge lies elsewhere. And so I want you to remember that when you are choosing your course topic, when you're creating your course content, don't assume that people know what it is that you're talking about, okay? The second piece of this, especially, I know this was the case for me transitioning out of corporate, is a lack of or a heightened sense of competition, right? Or comparison. And when I say that, I feel like this is something that's ingrained in our society, it's tradition, it's norm, especially working in corporate. What's going on, Kadino? Hello. I appreciate that in the building. And so I know working in corporate, was for me this sense of needing to prove myself. And so I know a lot of my high performers, like you can relate to that. You can resonate with that. It's something that we have all experienced, needing to prove yourself, needing to beat out the competition for a particular role. There were lots of like these competitive challenges, as they would label them at work, who can make the highest sales, who can, hit the goals or exceed the goals for this month. And so there's always this need to prove myself or prove yourself. And so I want to put this reminder here: when you're choosing your course topic, when you're creating your course, is not to impress your peers. Okay, so the language that you're using, the content that you're putting out, I appreciate that, Zavo. It's good to see you on. The content that you're putting out, pardon me, is not to impress your peers. It's not for people who are necessarily in your lane, or people who are even adjacent to the topic or the industry or the market that you are currently in. you are creating this course to serve your dream customers, your dream clients, your dream students, okay? And if you do not, we'll talk a little bit about this probably next week. If you don't know who your dream students are or your dream clients are, I'll talk about it more on this channel, but that's the first step. Like, you need to understand who it is that you're serving even before you start articulating your topic. Now, if you're ready to go deeper into creating courses, into understanding who you're creating courses for, if you're ready to go deeper into articulating exactly what you're developing this course around, what your topic is, because you're already the expert, you know that, but a lot of times we have a challenge as high performers, especially transitioning out of corporate, or even being, like I said, in business for a while and just needing a fresh set of eyes. Sometimes it's not that we don't know we're the expert, it's articulating our vision for other people, right? To serve other people. And so if that is what you need help with and you know you are ready to create a course, you just don't know how to put it together, I'm encouraging you to come join me live, okay, for 3 days inside the Global Authority Movement. This is not you consuming more information. This is you actually taking action to implement your course going forward, okay? If that's something that you want to do, go to jumpfirstacademy.org/global to get registered. What's going on, Mamadou? It's good to see you on. Hello, hello. I appreciate all of y'all being on this morning. I hope that you're having an amazing, amazing Tuesday start to your day, or whatever day you're watching this on this channel. If you are watching the replay, then please drop it in the comments. Replay, okay? If you're watching live, drop it live. Say hello. What's going on, JC? Hello, hello. It's good to see y'all on. But if you're watching the replay, also let me know where you're watching from. I love to see the global reach of these episodes, and again, to help you with expanding your reach as well. I love y'all so much. Again, jumpfirstacademy.org/global to get started. I also dropped additional resources down in, pardon me, y'all, down in the description below. Prakesh, hello, hello. It's good to see you on. Yufu, hey. TRBZN 61. Okay, Turkey in the building. I love that. Happy Ramadan to you. Kellen, hello. It's good to see y'all on. And so many of y'all this morning. I appreciate y'all. Mika, I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Hello, hello. Again, let me know where you're watching from. I love to see the global reach. And again, jumpfirstacademy.org/global to join me for that 3-day live training. Learn more, get all the details. jumpfirstacademy.org/global. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Come hang out with me live like this every single weekday. Just hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when I'm on, when new episodes drop, and we can hang out. Kingston, Jamaica in the building. What's going on, Pablo? New, hello, hello. I'm doing well, Mika. Hello, thank you. I appreciate that. Awesome, Karim. Hello, hello. Godzilla fan 98. What's going on, Karim? I appreciate you all being on. Thank you guys so much. Hey, King Koopa, it's good to see you in Florida. I appreciate all of y'all this morning and sending you so much love, so many hearts in the building today. Again, if you haven't subscribed, do so, but also just like this. That helps us expand this message as well to more people. I'm doing well. I appreciate y'all asking me how I'm doing this morning. I hope that y'all are doing well and also well as well. I'm going to go ahead and continue sipping on my coffee this morning. I think this is water at the moment, and get out of here. I got a few appointments today, but I love hanging out with y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for the support. Good morning, good morning, good morning, evening, afternoon, depending on where you're watching this from. And I'll see y'all back here tomorrow morning, okay? Have an amazing day, and please keep believing in you because I believe in you. All right, see y'all later. Bye, y'all.